Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Waze voice with friends or family using a simple built-in option in the app. Whether you've created a custom voice pack that you're proud of, or you just want to send a fun or useful Waze voice to someone else, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Waze app on your mobile device and make sure it's fully loaded on the main map screen. Once you're there, look toward the top left corner and tap on the three-line menu icon, also known as the hamburger menu. This opens the main Waze menu where all important settings are located, so make sure to follow along carefully. Next, tap on Settings, which is shown by the small gear icon. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Voice and Sound and tap on it. From there, select Waze Voice. You'll now see a list of available voices, including any custom voice packs you've recorded yourself. Under the Voice Recorder section, find the custom voice pack that you want to share. Once you locate it, look for the Share icon next to the voice pack. It usually looks like an arrow pointing out of a box. Tap on that Share icon, and Waze will instantly prepare a shareable link for you. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're designed to be very user-friendly, so there's nothing complicated to worry about. You'll be asked to choose a messaging app like WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other app you prefer. Simply select the contact you want to send the voice to, and send the link. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Ensure your Waze app is updated to the latest version, and confirm that your custom voice pack is saved properly. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent sharing issues. Once you've sent the link, the recipient can open it and use the shared Waze voice easily. After that, you'll be able to enjoy sharing fun or personalized navigation experiences without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test the voice yourself before sharing, just to make sure everything sounds perfect. Taking this extra step ensures a better experience for everyone. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to share your Waze voice quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same question. Why not make someone's day easier?